how do insurers will ensure, or the insurance companies will ensure that they themselves have the understanding on the technology side of it? Because when you talk about, or any insurance company talk about selling it, obviously it's very critical for them to at least know the baseline or bare minimum technology, which is essential. And not only from an embedded insurance point of view, but even when a normal cyber insurance, if you're giving it, how do you assess, how do you make sure if you don't know the technology well? So is there any practice which exists in current industry?
Again, a very good question. So, see, in any risk management, you what do? You try to minimize it, manage it, and the last residual risk you try to transfer it. So when we transfer it, whether it's cyber insurance or health insurance, it should be transferred to that body, which can handle that risk more efficiently.
Okay.
So if cyber insurance has to be the last post, obviously they have to have superior capabilities than the earlier players. Okay. While that may not be the situation as on date, this is a great opportunity for cyber insurance, for the insurance industry also. Again, just look at the Iran-Iraq war right now. The kind of achievements by Israel within Iran, or Iran in Israel or in UAE, we are hearing new situations. They have cracked new frontiers in cybersecurity. Okay, so insurance industry is going to quickly scale up to address these scenarios. Okay. So the way I see it, the industry globally, regionally, and in India is going to work backwards to build strong capabilities in cybersecurity to master cyber insurance.
Absolutely, because
so they need it both at the time of underwriting and more so at claims also. And see, we are a humongous market. Okay, because of DPD, a city like Bangalore has got 1,000 colleges, okay, higher education institutions, highest in the country. Now, colleges are a prime target of, they are likely to be amongst the first to get penalties also. Okay, so there will be a big market. But to address this market, cyber insurance industry, brokers, everyone needs enormous capabilities to sell and service it.
Absolutely, because that's what I'm learning from all the conversation, that it's getting very critical to have the understanding and know-how on the technology. But I think we are getting quite deep dive, and my questions may not end. So let's see in case we have any questions from the audience. Otherwise, I have enough curiosity and questions to ask you. But then we'll just try to keep it open for audience. If they have any questions, sure. We can wait for a minute or two if we come up with questions. Otherwise, it's great to continue.
Yeah, correct. We'll look for their questions as we speak.
Yeah, just so maybe so organizers, does the audience have option to post their questions? Yeah, I think we have somebody.
Yeah, Sudhir, you have a question? While they come up with a question, there's a question. Yeah, okay. Sudhir, you mentioned something about actuary, right? Okay. I'll touch upon this. There's would like to know.
More about actuary.
Okay, I can address that question. See, the backbone of the insurance industry is mathematical modeling of the worst case situations, and there are the specialized profession called actuaries, like chartered accountants. They are mandated under law. India's got an institute of actuaries. Every country has it. So they are when we say rocket science, the profession that is actually working in rocket science is actuaries.
Okay, I think it's even new to me.
To give an intuitive example, if flood insurance in Florida, It is done by number crunching of over centuries of data by PhDs. Okay, that kind of modeling takes place to come up with the price of flood insurance in Florida. Coming to that, we need actuaries to do this work. India has got only 400 actuaries, and this is a big constraint compared to other countries. See, country like Australia has got 3,000 actuaries. A country like South Africa has got 3,000 actuaries. And United States has 5,000 insurance companies and 29,000 actuaries.
Oh,
And the actuaries also are like a specialist, like medicine. No, you have a cardiac, ortho. Many actuaries are specializing in life insurance, some in property casualty. So it's a good question that Sudhir came up. World over, we need a whole brand of cyber actuaries to come up, and that number is very small even worldwide. So probably India can work along with the global markets to spawn this capacity. These people need to be very good in understanding what can go around technology and mathematically, statistically model it to come up with the pricing.